Welcome back to part 4 of Azure Stack. Uh, let's jump into basically the roadmap and improvement by Microsoft. I won't focus too much on this one, but just like high level, you can see like Azure capability on Azure Stack nowadays, Portal, PowerShell, DevOps tool, Resource Manager, Cloud Infrastructure Integration. I can utilize all these marketplaces to consume it, and something like available at the moment, like something on the roadmap by Microsoft, like give an example, Surface Fabric on Windows, support template, support on containers. These are available. What is in development? What is improvement Microsoft keep releasing? Disk management, storage version, and so on. Again, the focus at the moment around, the Azure Stack infrastructure capabilities was the previous one. If I go back a little bit just to show you, that was the Azure capability on Azure Stack, and this one is for basically infrastructure itself. This time it is around the updates, and focus on improving operational excellency and also integrate some patterns, something like this. You can see the Azure Stack integration, 16 node scale up, compliance certification guidance. And so these are all the roadmaps. I'm not going to spend too much time on this, but just to show you how Microsoft are improving the ACRs, the backups, the portal itself, and they move on to that next level up. Now, with all of these, what is the cost involved, around this area? Let's just cover a little bit some of the analytics, Azure Stack, cost and billing. So what we have the Azure Stack is sold as an integrated system, basically. We have services, hardware, and you can see there, built by Microsoft via EA or CSP support via Premier Azure agreement, purchased directly from hardware partner providers like, Dell, we mentioned earlier, or Lenovo, IBM. You go the pay as you go, free only for consumption, no upfront license, same as your invoice, and commitment subscription, again, similar to the previous one through EA or CSP. Now, what is the capacity module for disconnected, predictable cost or no telemetry, fixed fees, annual subscription, sold as plan SKU, separated transaction from Azure, and it's only available for EA. You can see like the price, this one without discount. It's $144, and for the core, it's app services packages $400. Yeah. Now we move on to uh, positioning of that. What is it and what isn't? It is not. So first, consistent hybrid cloud platform. It's not virtualization replacement. So don't think about replacing your VMware or Hyper-V. It's integrating between infrastructure and PaaS. It's not a DIY infrastructure. It is regularly updated for the Azure consistency, and it is not replacing your static system, and truly open and flexible, just like Azure. It is not .NET Windows only, because we are supporting, open source tools. And the last, what we have here, you need to get going with the Azure Stack. Just start, your journey by doing the development within application Azure, validate, download Azure Stack Kit, install it, deploy, and basically utilize the system for production deployment. Right. That's all what I had for you about the cost, and hopefully we learned something useful. Thank you for watching, and goodbye for now.